Thank you very much. My name is Henry Mascott. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Curacel. At Curacel, what we're really trying to do is to build infrastructure that helps drive the number of Africans who are currently uninsured. So currently that number is at less than 3%, and we believe there's a lot of growth that is yet to happen. And this is what drives us on the kind of problems we're solving. The first kind of like core product that we have, the problem we're really trying to solve is to help insurance companies. So currently on the continent, insurance companies are losing about $12 billion to fraudulent claims and things in a category called fraud, waste, and abuse, which is basically combining fraudulent claims with wasteful claims, things that shouldn't be paid for, like abusive claims. So that number is around $12 billion right now. And then depending on sort of like the insurance vertical you look at, that's somewhere around like 15 to 25% of the gross written premium. As of 2020 or within the past 3 years, the gross written premium has been on the continent around $70 billion. So you take like 15 to 20% of that, and that starts to give you the magnitude of the loss. So this is the biggest problem that we're solving for our clients. Again, obviously, part of that also, that also leads to a lot of other smaller problems. Hospitals take a long time to get paid, and insurance companies, try to like spend as much time as possible trying to dig into the details to see, hey, is this hospital trying to be fraudulent? Is this policyholder trying to be fraudulent? So we combine all this thing, and the first sort of like our core product is a SaaS platform. That basically the value proposition we're giving our insurance partners is up to 70% claims processing time, because we automate the claims processing using AI. And we also promise them, up to 25% reduction in the amount that they were previously losing to fraudulent claims. And again, for the hospitals on the platform, on the health business, it's mostly that you can get your payments much faster. So for how it works, so again, it's, we have a couple of products all linked together, from a collection platform where on the health product, hospitals log in, putting their claims, and then we do an automatic fraud detection on those claims. So we try to look at a couple of things, the enrollee, the tariff, the underwriting rules. So we basically have a couple of models all linked together, right? That tries to mimic, what a doctor would do, or what a nurse would do, or what a financial analyst or the other insurance company would do. So the claim comes in, we confirm you're the right person, we confirm the prices on the claim, we confirm, if it's the health claim or you have malaria, these are the items on that there, are they relevant? So we have a model that kind of like does that. On the auto product as well, so it's similar value proposition. We help them digitize the claims value chain, and then we use at this point, image recognition to be able to. So you take a picture, you upload the picture of your car. We're able to say, okay, this is the part that has issues, and we can automatically do. So we do damage classification and claim estimation for most of those claims. So you upload a claim. Before even like an adjudicator or claim adjuster looks at it, we can kind of like give the insurance company what the right prices are. And for some people, they look to automate that. So we're building the technology that would enable them. You submit your auto claim in this instance, and you automatically get a quote. So just for just staying on the claims market, so it's the claims market is a $23 billion market. And then for the software, which is just claim software, and on the continent is 1.2 billion. And then the category is growing. We currently make money by charging a flat fee on each claim. So there's an initial integration fee we charge, when we integrate with you, but we also charge a flat fee each time a claim is processed. So for instance, if you're an insurance company and you're processing, 100 claims a day, so we're charging you that. If you're processing 10,000 claims a month, we're charging you somewhere between 40 cents and $1 per claim. So we do have competition. We do have people who do something similar in different ways. In the Nigerian market, or in sort of like in the sub-Saharan African market, you see people in the healthcare sector who provide what we call ERPs, which is a software that helps insurance companies manage their whole business. We don't consider them a direct competitor, but because they sell to insurance companies, we think that they'll compete somehow. But because our model is slightly different, it allows us to scale faster. Again, on the much more like a global stage, there are bigger companies who are doing this as well. So currently this is our traction. So we're currently impacting about 2.8 million patient lives. We're currently powering 8,500 hospitals, 11 insurers in 3 countries. Currently about $400,000 in revenue. And we did a pre-seed round a couple of months ago. So moving forward, we're looking to obviously go into more countries, expand our products. That's it. Thank you very much. Henry Mascott.